What's good? What's good? Time to get up. Time to get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's your boy Mickey D with The Scoop, best-selling author. My book, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. Learn this basic strategy and build wealth with cannabis stocks today. You can get your copy from Amazon.com. You can go to any bookstore and order it. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. As many of you know, I talk about the stocks that are in my book. We had blood on the streets today. I'll talk to you about that. I'll tell you exactly what I bought. I'm going to tell you exactly what I bought. Plus, I have an exciting bonus stock that's a beverage infused stock that's under 50 cents that you are really, really going to, you need to consider. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm just a guy out there that sells books and writes books that you like to read. Like investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buy in before, during, or after legalization. Also promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments all over the world. Things are happening. People are being helped. People are having less stress. They're having less pain. Things are working all around the world. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. It's out there also. The African marijuana gold mine is out there. You know, I plug my books because that's what I do. I own a publishing company and we put books out. We have over 100 books out there. So that's what we do. So people that get upset because I plug books and I don't get to the stocks right away, well, you know, you can pay a guy, some other guy, $3,000 or $4,000, and he's going to tell you the same thing that I'm going to tell you right now. But today was a day not to sell. You're going to sell. The time to sell was last week, like a lot of people did, and myself did a little bit also. Today was a day like Friday. Today is Tuesday. Friday, blood in the streets. Monday, blood in the streets. This morning, gap down. You know, big red candles down. No, that's a time to reallocate your portfolio, add to positions, get some new positions. You know, it's not a time to back the truck up. No, we didn't go through a phase like that. It's a time to just reconsider and add to positions that you want to, that you like, and companies that you like that are down 20, 35, 40%. Add a little if you want to continue to keep that company. You know, it was not really a time to really be selling. So with that said, let me tell you what I bought today. I made quite a few, but because I was nibbling. Anywhere from 200 to 2,000 shares, basically, is what I was doing today. Most I was buying 200, 400, 500 shares, 1,000 shares of this, 2,000 shares of that. Just nibbling. I wasn't going in, you know, head first or anything. But like, for instance, I'll give you the stock I bought, what I was filled at, and what the price was at the end of the day. And I usually don't buy stocks. I usually don't go in at the beginning of the market. You know, in the when the .coms were around, you know, you could go, and you guys won't, some of you won't remember that, but you could just pick a stock and it just go up. You know, amateur hour, the bell opened and everybody rushed into all these different stocks because they all went up. Well, it's not like that anymore, and especially not like that with marijuana stocks. You got to do your homework. You got to do your research. So part of your homework and research is to look at some of these stocks, you know, and once again, I'm just a guy that you know, I'm pretty good with the charts. You know, I learned from some of the guys, you know, my old buddies, late Willie Tuxon, you know, he's a turtle trader. I was taught by a guy you may be familiar with, John Bollinger. You know him as the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, that was a guy that taught me I learned how to his bands. You know, when you go to his class, you know, he gives you different measurements, different parameters there. You see that stuff on everybody's platform. You know, oh, mine are a little different, but that's a story for another day. Anyway, today I bought Charlotte Web CWBHF. I bought it at I was filled at $11.20, and it ended the day at $11.83. Kush Holdings today. I bought that, filled at $4.57, ended the day at $5.27. The Green Organic Dutchman, as you know, that's been falling down and down and down. I got in at $2.85, and I think it ended the day like over $3 or something. I didn't write it down. Liberty Health Sciences. Green Organic Dutchman is TGODF. For you guys that are taking notes, Kush Holdings is KSHB. It's Kush Holdings. Liberty Health, 82 cents is where I was filled. It ended the day at 96 cents. Not bad. 1933 Industries closed at 33 cents. I was filled at 30 cents. TGIFF. For you that are taking notes. Chum, their brand. Choof, I was filled at 65 cents. It's 67 cents. It closed. CHOOF. What do they call those? $1 billion brands? That's in one of those. That's if anybody's referring to a $1 billion brand, you'll hear some of these. Choof, Charlotte Web. They'll put those in those categories because they have a lot of potential to do a lot of damage. Village Farms, VFFIF. It ended the day at 436. I was filled at 423. Planet 13, PLNHF. It ended the day at 176. I was filled at 157. Nice profit on all these today. Canopy, CGC. I was filled at $37.05. Now that at $37.60, I canceled that one. This is pre-market. This is just before the market opened here. Just minutes before it opened. It was down like $4. So I jumped in there. For our Canadian brothers to the north, they know 37.05 is about $48.50 in Canadian dollars, and it was about 73 in Canadian in the Canadian dollar just last week. So $73, $48.50 for them. That's a decent price, very decent price to reload, get back in, or do what you want to do. Curon Life Sciences, KHRNF. I've highlighted that before. I got some more at 92 cents. It closed today at $1.08. You know, that's the company led by the former prime minister down there in Latin America. Alfria, APHQF. It ended the day at $11.56. I was filled at $10.56. Emerald Health Therapeutics, EMHTF. It ended the day at $2.60. I was filled at $2.29. Suniva, SNNVF. It ended the day at $3.81. I was filled at $3.77. Canopy Rivers. It ended the day at $3.41. I was filled at $3.24. You got Organogram. It ended the day at $4.28. I was filled at $3.93. Ianthus Capital. ITHUF. Some of these I'm forgetting to give you guys the symbols, but you can look them up. End of the day, Ianthus was $5.44. I got filled at $4.69. The Green Organic Dutchman, I went over that one because I bought it a couple times today. Not because I had faith. The price was right for me. I bought it a couple times. Alethea Health, ALEAF. I was filled at $1.43. It ended the day at $1.72. Crop Infrastructure, one of my all-time favorites. CRXPF, picked up some at 26 cents. It closed the day at 28 cents. One of the stocks I was telling you about that I'm accumulating is Tinley Beverage Company. TNYBF, 48 cents. Infused cannabis margarita that they say is wonderful. It's one of the best out there. Now, if they've got a good tasting drink, they may be a one-trick pony. They've got other things out there. But if their margarita takes Southern California by storm like it is, and it takes the rest of the country by storm, that company has a lot of potential. Once again, that's Tinley Beverage Company. TNYBF is the ticker symbol in America. And that's it. It was blood in the streets. It was a great day to reload. If tomorrow there's blood in the streets, think about reloading again. Once again, I want to thank my son for doing what he does, you know, with the wardrobe and different things, and kind of helping out. It's all good. With that said, you guys have a great day. I just wanted to get back with you. It was one of his ideas. Get back with your audience as often as you can. And I don't have a lot of chances. But everybody, they ask, you know, what are you buying? What do you want? You know, blah, 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 blah. So this is it. This is it right here. This is what I bought today. This is not my portfolio, my total portfolio, but this is stuff I added to, stuff took initial positions in because they were 30, 40% down, 50% down from their highs. So I'm in the game with a lot of them, you know, and some of them, if tomorrow you know, of course we're all waiting for Acreage and some of these others to really spend our wads, but it is what it is. And love you. Once again, you can pick up any of the books at Amazon.com. You can listen to them with the audio book. You can buy the paperback book. You can support the cause. That's how you support my station. And then I give you stuff that other people will be charging you hundreds of dollars for, okay? Because I personally know there's somebody out there that one of the you know, billion-dollar brands and stuff, he wants quite a bit of money for you to tell, you know, for him to tell you what I just told you. But anyway, have a great day. Love you. God bless you. Kiss your children. Hug your wife. Do your thing. Love you. Hug your husband too, ladies. Don't leave the ladies out. Never, ever. We got more women now investing than ever, especially in this marijuana section. More owners, business owners, than there are men. Yes, it's true. It's true. Women are coming on. That's just the media talking out there. There's no women. Women are involved in this business. I love it. God bless you. Take care.